Hi there, see me again. This time I will discuss a smartphone holder that you can put it in your car. GTWIN smartphone holder for car long neck one task car mount. Let's open this product. How to install is very easy. Loosen the ball. Then plug this part in. Then tighten the ball. This tool is equipped with a strong adhesive that can stick to various surfaces such as glass, plastic, wood, and others. Remove the plastic and stick it. To place your smartphone to this holder, press this part in. Then put your smartphone. To strengthen it, press this part. To open it, press this part. This button also functions to close and return it to its original position. You can rotate this tool 360 degrees as you like. If you feel it's not long enough, just adjust the neck. Loosen the ball. Then pull the neck forward. Don't forget to tighten it again. Thank you for watching this show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.